Ever notice your singing just feels slower? The phrasing drags, your pitch takes a moment to tune in and land. Your timing feels off. Your breath's okay, your vocal cords check out fine. Something's going on. Well, this used to puzzle me as well until I learned that the signal from your brain to your voice actually slows with age. But the best part is you can train it back. Today, I'll walk you through what's really happening between your brain and your voice, why singing can start to feel harder after 50, and the simple 5-minute habits that reignite your speed and precision. What's really slowing down? Well, here's what's going on under the hood. After about 50, most healthy adults experience a small drop in processing speed. The brain takes a few milliseconds longer to plan and launch a movement. Milliseconds sound tiny, but in singing, timing is everything. When you hear a note and match it, your brain's auditory motor system fires a quick correction loop between your ear and your voice. As we age, this loop can start to lag a bit, meaning pitch corrections happen a hair slower or it's slightly less accurate. It's not a lost skill, it's slower wiring. At the same time, microscopic changes in the tiny nerve fibers that control the larynx can throw off the perfect sync we rely on for quick pitch shifts. That's when we start to feel the slower onset, the wobblier vibrato, that little lag before the pitch settles. If that sounds familiar, those moments where your voice just doesn't feel snappy anymore, you're not imagining it. But here's the good news. This isn't decline. It's deconditioning. And just like a muscle, our timing can be retrained. First, exercise. A bit of movement goes a long way. Aerobic activity keeps blood flow and oxygen high, and studies show it strengthens the brain's white matter, the wiring that carries the signals. Music itself is medicine. Singing, rhythm practice, ear training, they light up the brain's timing centers. Older musicians in MRI scans literally show younger response times than non-musicians. And targeted vocal exercises don't just build muscle, they resync your timing loops, brain, ear, voice, so everything fires together again. Let's put this into practice. I call it the 5-minute brain speed set. It's short, gentle, and it wakes up both your voice and your brain. Step 1 is the neural warm-up. We'll do this for a minute. We're going to set a metronome to 60 to 70 beats per minute. And on each click, we're going to do a quick half-second lip trill burst. Rrr, like this. Rrr, 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 rrr. Don't push for volume. Just hit the click cleanly. We're training precision, not power. Next, we're going to do quick glides with a straw for about a minute. Use a straw and water. I've got a Dr. Vox. And we're going to slide our pitch up and down 3 to 5 semitones or half steps in about half a second. It's like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. We can go 4. We can go 5. See how quick you can get that. It's like interval sprints for your vocal cords. It's fast engagement under light resistance. Step 3 is consonant agility. This one is challenging, but it's fun. We're going to say and then sing rapid patika patterns. Goes like this. Patika, patika, patika. And we're going to see how many we can build up in a row, how long we can go, and how fast we can go. Pakata, 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 And then when you start getting those going, voice them. Buttiga, 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 buttiga. And then go back and forth. Bucket, buggeta, bucket, buggeta, bucket, buggeta, bucket, buggeta, bucket, buttiga. Woo! That's a workout. This keeps your articulators and your voicing switchovers lightning quick. This next one is so incredibly powerful. It's the pitch recovery drill. We're going to do this for about a minute. You're going to hold a comfortable vowel. So I'm just going to take a nice falsetto anywhere in your range you want. And then we're going to slide the pitch down a quarter tone, not a half step, but actually just below the pitch, a quarter tone, and then back up, all within a second. It's going to be quick. And then we're going to move it a quarter tone above. This is going to teach your system to shift from slower feedback, listening, and then adjusting to feed forward. It becomes automatic control. You adjust to the pitch instantly. This is the very skill that tends to slow with age. Do this routine at least 5 days a week, and you will feel cleaner onsets, quicker phrasing, and steadier pitch, often within a week or two. Next, we're going to apply it to singing. Once you've primed your wiring, let's test it on real music. Sing a tricky line, maybe with fast consonants or interval jumps. Sing it focusing on speed and clarity, not power. You'll feel your phrasing start to snap back into place again, that sense of quick connection returning. That's your neural wiring sharpening, not just your tone. And then we want to keep your wiring healthy. How do we do that? We treat the brain-voice connection like an athlete treats recovery. You're going to sleep well, stay hydrated, eat for steady energy, and move every day. As we age, we're very cognizant of our heart health. The same habits that protect your heart also keep nerve fibers myelinated, meaning your signals travel faster. This is your vocal longevity plan from the inside out. And if you want a deeper roadmap for keeping your voice youthful and responsive, you can download your free copy of my bestseller, The Mature Singer's Guidebook. I've put a link in the description below. It's going to walk you through the science plus warm-ups and strategies to restore confidence and coordination in your voice. Look, you can't stop aging, but you can keep your brain and voice communicating fast. Train your timing and your brain, not just your tone, and your voice will stay lively and vibrant for decades. And if you'd like a quick 5-minute warm-up for older singers, check out this video. We'll talk soon.